Welcome to Learn Yourself. So numerical A is 2y plus 5 by 2 equals to 37 by 2. Now first let us understand all the numerical and solve it, and then I will show you how to write it in a notebook. So here 2y plus 5 by 2 equals to 37 by 2 is our equation. Now from this we have to find out answer y equals to, and we have to find out the value for the y. So first we have to separate this variable. So 5 by 2 we have to, and we need to shift towards other side, towards LHS. Now this is positive 5 by 2. Once it will shift its side from RHS to LHS, it will become minus. So 2y equals to 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. What I have done here, I have changed the side for 5 by 2. Now as you can see here, this both are like fractions. So we can do this subtraction. Otherwise we have to take LCM. So 2y equals to 37 minus 5 divided by 2. We will get here 32 by 2. So 16 2s are 32. So 2y equals to, we will get 16 here. Now we need to separate y. So that's why we have to take this 2 which is towards RHS, we have to take this towards LHS, but it is in the multiplication. So when it is changing its side, it will go to division, means it will go to denominator. So y equals to 16. Now this 2 will change its side and it will go to denominator of the 16. So it is going to be y equals to 16 by 2. So 8 2s are 16. Here we will get answer y equals to 8. So that is how we are going to solve all these equations. Earlier what we were doing, that we were subtracting the numbers from RHS and LHS. Now we are shifting the numbers and fractions from RHS to LHS. Second equation B. 5t plus 28 equals to 10. This is our equation. 5t plus 28 equals to 10. We have to separate variable t. So for that, this 28 we have to shift it towards LHS. It is positive, so once it will change its side, it will become negative. So we will get here 5t equals to 10 minus 28. So we will get 5t equals to 18. But this 18 is going to be negative because bigger number has negative sign. Now we need to separate t. So this 5 we have to remove. This 5 is in multiplication. Once we will change the side, it will go to denominators of 18. It is in the multiplication. Once it is changing the side, it will go to division. So t equals to minus 18 divided by 5. Now once we are getting the fraction, we have to see that whether we can reduce this or not. So in this case, we cannot reduce this fraction. So t equals to minus 18 by 5 will be our answer. Equation C. A by 5 plus 3 equals to 2. Our variable here is a, that we have to separate. So first this 3 we are going to shift towards LHS. It is positive. Once it will shift to LHS, it will become negative. So it will become a by 5 equals to 2 minus 3. So a by 5 will give us minus 1 because 3 has a negative sign. Now again we have to remove this 5 and we have to separate our variable a. It is in the division. Once it will change the side, it will go to numerator and it will go to multiplication. The number which is in the denominator or in the division, once it will change the side, it will go to multiplication. So a equals to minus 1. Once this 5 will go to numerator, it will go to multiplication along with minus 1. So here we will get a equals to minus 5. So the simple rules, if we will remember, that positive number, once it will change the side, it will become negative. Negative number will become positive. The number which is in multiplication will go in division, and number which is in division will go to multiplication. Once you will remember this, it is very easy to solve all these equations. Equation D is Q divided by 4 plus 7 equals to 5. Our variable here is Q. Let us separate that variable. So first, let us start with 7. So 7 we are going to shift towards LHS. It is positive. Once it will shift towards LHS, it will become negative. So Q divided by 4 equals to 5 minus 7. So Q divided by 4 equals to, we will get minus 2 because this 7 has negative sign. Now 4 is in division. Once it will change the side, it will go to numerator and it will go to multiplication. The number which is in division, once it will change the side, it will go to multiplication. So Q equals to minus 2 into 4. We will get here Q equals to minus 8. And this is our answer. 5 by 2x equals to minus 5. Now this is little different from earlier numerical. It is 5 by 2 into x equals to minus 5 is there. Now here first time we got a fraction in multiplication. So if I will write this something like this, that I am changing this fraction, that 5x into 1 divided by 2. It is the same thing, that 5 by 2 I have separated out in 5x into 1 by 2 equals to minus 5. Now same rule we are following here, that number which is in multiplication will go to division and number which is in division will go to multiplication once they are changing the side. So here 5 is in multiplication, so it will go to division, and 2 is in division, so it will go to multiplication. So let us see that. So first I am going to write x equals to minus 5. Now this 5 which is in multiplication will go to division, and the 2 which is in division will go to multiplication. So it will come to multiplication. Again, let us understand this step like this, that 5 by 2 x equals to minus 5 is there. 5, so it will go to division. X equals to minus 5 divided by 5, because this 5 is in multiplication, so it will go to division. This 2 is in division, so once it will change the side, it will go to multiplication. So we can also say this here, that the fractions side, when we are changing, it will go to other side and we are multiplying its reciprocal. Once this 5 by 2 will go to other side, we are multiplying the other side with its reciprocal, that is 2 by 5. All the methods are correct and you can choose whatever method you want to write it, but your result at the end will be similar. So let us stick to our this method, that number which is in multiplication will go to division and number which is in division will go to multiplication. So here x equals to, I will get minus 5 divided by 5. This 5 I have taken to the denominator once it will change the side. So here divided by 2 is still there. Now I want to take this 2 also towards this side. So let us take this 2 towards LHS side, and it will go to multiplication and into the numerator. So x equals to, I will get minus 5 by 5 into 2. Now this 5 and above 5 will get cancelled out and I will get here answer as minus 2. So x equals to minus 2 is the answer. Our F equation is 5 by 2 into x equals to 25 by 4. Now let us change the side for 5, which is in multiplication. So it will go to division. So I will get here 1 by 2x equals to 25 divided by 4 and into 1 by 5. 5 is in multiplication. It has changed the side and it has gone to division in the denominator. Now this 5, 5s are 25. So I will get here 5 by 4 and into the RHS I will get x divided by 2 or 1/2 x. Now this 2 is in denominator. Once we are changing the side, it will go to numerator. The divisional number will go to multiplication once it will change the side. So we will get here x equals to 5 into 2 divided by 4. So 2 2s are 4. We will get here 5 by 2 as an answer. Our G equation is 7m plus 19 by 2 equals to 13. To separate the variable m, we have to shift this 19 by 2 towards LHS. So first step is 7m equals to 13 minus 19 by 2. Now these two are not like fraction. They are unlike fraction. So we have to take LCM. Our LCM is 2. So while taking LCM 2, it is going to be, we have to multiply here 13 into 2 divided by 2 minus 19 by 2. So we will get here 7m equals to 26 minus 19 divided by 2. We will get here 7m equals to 7 by 2, and this is going to be positive because smaller number has negative sign. So 7 by 2 will be our answer here, but this 7 is still there along with m. It is in multiplication. Once we are changing the side, it will go to denominator. So we will get here m equals to 7 by 2 into 7. So this 7 and this 7 will get cancelled out. We will get m equals to 1/2. H equation is 6z plus 10 equals to minus 2. Let us take this 10 towards LHS. It is positive, so once it will go to other side, it will become negative. So we will get here 6z equals to minus 12. Now this 6 is in multiplication. Once we are changing the side, it will go to division, it will go to denominator. So z equals to minus 12 divided by 6. 6 2s are 12 and it will carry minus sign. So z equals to minus 2 will be the answer. I equation is 3l divided by 2 equals to 2 by 3. Now here 3 is in multiplication and 2 is in division. So 3 is in multiplication, which will go to division. 2 is in division and it will go to multiplication. Let us try both the operation in one step. L equals to 2 by 3 is already there. This 2 we are taking to numerator into the multiplication, and this 3, which is we are taking to denominator and division. So in multiplication with 2 by 3. So L equals to 4 by 9 will be our answer. You can do this one by one, that first you can shift 2, then you can shift 3. But this is also correct that in one step we have multiplied the reciprocal of 3 by 2 towards other side. Our equation J is 2b by 3 or 2 by 3b minus 5 equals to 3. So to separate this variable b, let us shift this minus 5 towards other side. So we will get 2b by 3 equals to 3 plus 5. Because it is negative, it will become positive once it will change the side. So we will get here 2b by 3 equals to 8. Now 3 is in division. Once we are changing the side, it will go to multiplication, and 2 is in multiplication. Once we are changing the side, it will go to denominator in division. So b equals to, we will get 8 into 3 divided by 2. So 2 4s are 8. We will get here b equals to 12. Now this is how we are going to write in our notebook. We have to explain each and every step, that where we are changing a side for the number and for which number we are changing a side. Is 2x plus 4 equals to 12. Here 2 is in multiplication with this whole bracket. So I am going to write here something like this for the simplification. Now 2 is in multiplication. It will go to division once it is changing a side. So x plus 4 we will get here, and 12 divided by 2, as we are changing side of 2 from RHS to LHS. So here we can divide this with 6. We will get here x plus 4 equals to 6. Now this 4 is in addition with x. So once we are changing the side, that number will become negative. So we will get here x equals to 6 minus 4. So x equals to 2 is going to be our answer. So let us first solve all the numerical and understand how we are solving it. Later I will show you how to write it in a notebook. B equation is 3 in multiplication with n minus 5 equals to 21. 3 is in multiplication, so once it is changing a side, it will go to denominator. So n minus 5 equals to 21 divided by 3. Multiplication will become division when it is changing a side. So here 7 3s are 21. N minus 5 we got here 7. This 5 has negative sign. Once it is changing a side, it will become positive. So n equals to 7 plus 5. So we will get here n equals to 12. Equation C is 3 in multiplication with n minus 5 equals to minus 21. So this 3 which is in multiplication will go to denominator once it will change the side. So n minus 5 equals to minus 21 divided by 3. So 7 3s are 21, but this 7 will get minus sign. So this is minus 7. 5 is along with minus sign. Once it will change the side, it will become positive. So n equals to minus 7 plus 5. So n equals to, here we will get 1 is minus and 1 is positive. So here bigger number has negative sign. So we are going to do subtraction over here. So we will get here 2. And this 2 will get bigger number sign. So it is going to be minus 2. So n equals to minus 2 will be our answer. Equation D is minus 4 is in multiplication with 2 plus x equals to 8. Now 4 is in multiplication. Once it will change the side, it will go to denominator. But here we are not going to change the sign because it is going from multiplication to division. So this minus 4 will remain intact minus 4, and it will go to denominator along with its negative sign. It is not something like that which is negative number will change its side and it will become positive. This is not the case here. It is in multiplication, so it will go along with its sign. So here we will get 2, and that 2 we will get minus. So 2 plus x we will get minus here. This 2 is in addition. Once it will change the sign, it will become negative. So x equals to minus 2 minus 2. So we will get here x equals to minus 4. Equation E is 4 is in multiplication with 2 minus x equals to 8. So 4 is in multiplication. Once we are changing the side, it will go to denominator. So 2 minus x equals to 8 divided by 4. So 4 2s are 8, we got it here. And 2 minus x equals to 2 is our new equation.
Now this 2 is positive. Once we are changing the sign, it will become negative. So minus x equals to 2 minus 2, we got it here. So x equals to, we got here 0. This negative sign, we can remove it because once we are multiplying with minus 1 towards both the side, we will get x equals to 0. And 0 will not have any kind of sign. So x equals to 0 will be the answer. Exercise 4.3, question number 3. First equation is 4 equals to 5 in multiplication with p minus 2. Till now we were shifting everything from RHS to LHS. Now in this case we are going to shift from LHS to RHS. All the rules will remain same. Whatever we were following, that positive will become negative, multiplication number will go to denominator, and all the rules will remain same. Only we are shifting from LHS to RHS. Now this 5 is in multiplication. Once it will change the side, it will go to denominator. So we will get here 4 divided by 5 equals to p minus 2. So now this 2 is along with negative sign. Once we are changing the side, it will become positive. So we will get here 2 plus 4 by 5 equals to p. Let us take LCM here. LCM we are going to take, and that is 5. So we will get here 10 plus 4 divided by 5 equals to p. So we will get here 14 divided by 5, and that is our solution for the p. Equation B is minus 4 equals to 5 is in multiplication with p minus 2. So now let us take this 5 towards other side. It will go to denominator. So we will get here minus 4 divided by 5 equals to p minus 2. Let us take this negative 2 towards other side and it will become positive. So 2 minus 4 by 5 equals to p. Let us take LCM. LCM will be 5. So we will get here 10 minus 4 divided by 5 equals to p. So 10 minus 4, we will get 6 by 5 equals to p will be our answer. This both numerical are almost same except this negative sign. But this negative sign has changed our answer. Equation C is 16 equals to 4 plus 3 t plus 2. Now this 4 is in addition, as you can see. So once we are changing the side, it will become negative. So 16 minus 4 equals to 3t plus 2. So 16 minus 4 will give us 12. Now this 3 we are changing a side. It is in multiplication. So it will go to denominator equals to t plus 2. So 3 4s are 12. So 4 equals to t plus 2, we got it here. Now this 2 is in addition. Once we are changing the sign, we will get minus 2. So 4 minus 2 equals to t. So 2 equals to t, we got it here as a answer. Equation D is 4 plus 5 in multiplication with p minus 1 equals to 34. This 4 we are taking it towards other side, it will become negative. So we will get 5 into p minus 1 equals to 34 minus 4. So 5 into p minus 1, we will get 30. Now this 5 we are changing aside, so it will go to denominator. So p minus 1 equals to 30 divided by 5. So 5 6 are 30. P minus 1, we got it here 6. Now minus 1, once we are changing the side, it will become plus 1. So P equals to 6 plus 1 equals to 7 will be our answer. Equation E is 0 equals to 16 plus 4 in multiplication with m minus 6. Let us take this 16s towards this side, other side, and it will become negative. So minus 16 equals to 4 in multiplication with m minus 6. Let us take this 4 towards other side. It is in multiplication, so it will go to denominator. So minus 16 divided by 4 equals to m minus 6. So 4 4s are 16. We got here minus 4 equals to m minus 6. 6 is in subtraction. It is along with negative sign. Once we are changing the side, it will become positive. So minus 4 plus 6 equals to m. So we need to do here subtraction because one of the number is negative, but it will take bigger number sign, so it will become positive 2. So m equals to plus 2 will be our answer. Exercise 4.3, question number 4. Construct three equations starting with x equals to 2. So we have to take x equals to 2 and we are going to make three different equations for this. So here we can use four types of operation: addition, multiplication, division and subtraction. So let us first try with addition. First we are adding 5 at both the side. Whatever operation we are doing, we have to do it at both the side, RHS and LHS. So when we are adding 5 at both the side, we will have x plus 5 equals to 2 plus 5. So it is going to be x plus 5 equals to 7. You can leave it here, or you can add something more to this, that by multiplying 2 at both the side, or by dividing 2 at both the side, or whatever operation you want to do, you can do it here. But this is our first equation. Second, x equals to 2 we are taking, and here we are going to divide with 3. So when we will divide with 3 at both the side, we will get x divided by 3 equals to 2 divided by 3. Now after that, I want to add one more step, that so now I am going to add 7 at both the sides. So I am going to get here 3x by 3 plus 7 equals to 2 by 3 plus 7. So here I am going to take LCM 3. So I am going to get here 2 plus 3 into 7, 21 divided by 3. So I will get here 23 divided by 3. So my equation here is x by 3 plus 7 equals to 23 divided by 3. This also can be our equation, but I have added one more step. So this is our second equation. Let us frame third equation. X equals to 2 is there. Now here I am going to subtract. So I am subtracting here with 3 at both the sides. So I will get here x minus 3 equals to 2 minus 3. So I will get here x minus 3 equals to minus 1. This is going to be my third equation. Second question is, construct three equations starting with x minus 2. So here we have to take x equals to minus 2, and then we are going to frame three different equations. So let us take first multiplication operation. So here I am going to multiply 3 at both the sides. So here I will get 3 into x equals to minus 2 into 3. So I will get 3x equals to minus 6. So this is going to be my first equation. In second equation, I am going to divide. So dividing with 7 at both the side, I will get x divided by 7 equals to minus 2 divided by 7. So this is going to be my second equation. Now here I am going to add and subtract two operations I am going to perform to frame this third equation. So let us first add. So x plus 5 equals to minus 2 plus 5. So I will get here x plus 5 equals to 3. Now I am going to subtract with 4. So by subtracting with 4 at both the side, x plus 5 minus 4 equals to 3 minus 4. So here I will get x plus 1 equals to minus 1. So this is going to be my third equation.
So thank you for watching and learning with us. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing. And don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself.